हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू उत्कर्ष बैच क्लास 2। आज हमारी क्लास सेकंड है। इससे पहले की जो फर्स्ट क्लास है वो आपको जो प्लेलिस्ट है उसमें मिल जाएगी। आज जो है हम लोग एक और डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। आप लोगों का जो ईपीएफओ का जो स्किल टेस्ट है वो आ चुका है। 18 और नवंबर को आपका एग्जाम होने वाला है। तो इन बचे हुए दिनों के अंदर आप लोग डेली 1 से 2 ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करते रहिए, जिससे आपका जो प्रिपरेशन है वो और अच्छी इंप्रूव हो सके। आज जो है मैं आप लोगों को फीमेल वॉइस के अंदर डिक्टेशन लिखवाने वाला हूँ। इसको लिख करके देखिए। उसके बाद में जब आपको इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करना होगा तो आप स्टेनो आर्मी की वेबसाइट पर जाकर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कर सकते हैं। जिन लोगों ने बैच ज्वाइन नहीं किया है उसको ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, क्योंकि ये बैच जो है वो आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा आपकी स्पीड में, और आपकी जो मिस्टेक्स है उसको रिड्यूस करने में हेल्प करेगा। अभी तक आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। साथ ही में ये जो डिक्टेशन मैंने आपको पहले लिखवा रखे हैं उनको भी लिख लीजिए, जिससे आपकी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी हो सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा हम डिक्टेशन।
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Will the Minister of Urban Development be pleased to state whether the government contemplates any positive measures at the central level or to give suitable directions to states to expedite the solution to the housing problem, especially keeping in view the growth in population and consequent pressure on land stock, with a view to removing the housing inadequacy and expediting solution of the housing problem. Many measures have been undertaken by the Government of India to stop provision of shelter facilities to the entire shelterless population has been accepted by the government. The level of investment in the public sector during the 7th plan has been raised, and under the 20-point program, which is being implemented as an essential part of state plans scheme for distribution of developed housing sites and construction assistance have been included. Stop para. Moreover, the states are being assisted under the financial programs of Housing and Urban Development Corporation for the schemes for housing of economically weaker sections and low income group families. Stop. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister whether it is a fact that non-regularization of unauthorized colonies is also adding to this problem. Stop. Here in Delhi and in the neighboring areas, it has been found that several people purchase a small piece of land for the purpose of constructing a house, but instead construct hotels by encroaching on public land. Stop. Its registration was done in the name of a house, but it ended up in a hotel worth crores of rupees. Stop. Therefore, I want to know whether illegal occupation is also one of the basic reasons, and if so, what steps does the government propose to take to check it. Stop para. Sir, so far as the question of honorable member with regard to the regularization of unauthorized colonies is concerned, the government is constantly seized with the matter. Stop. Although I had replied to a similar question last time also, yet I would say that we have two schemes of rural sites and urban sites in this regard. Stop. These schemes are of two types. Stop. The first is for the people belonging to economically weaker sections living in urban areas, and the second scheme which we have is full assistance. Stop. A provision of rupees 577 crores has been made for landless workers in the 7th 5-year plan, under which rupees 500 for site development and another rupees 2000 for house construction have been provided for each family. Stop. The income ceiling of rupees 350 in respect of the people belonging to economically weaker sections living in urban areas has now been raised. Stop. They will have to repay this amount in 20 to 22 years, and only 5% interest will be charged thereon. Stop. Para. In my main question, I had asked about the possession of such land which was purchased in the name of house construction, but later on luxury hotels came up there. Stop. What action does the government propose to take in such cases of illegal construction, and the time by which action will be taken in this regard? Stop. Here is my second supplementary. May I know whether non-availability of loans on lower rates of interests to the needy people, group housing societies and colonizers also add to housing problems? Stop. We do not agree with the honorable member on this point. Stop. We have been doing it all along for the weaker sections. Stop. Besides, a review of the 20-point program was again made in 1982. Stop. The central government always gives direction to the states in this regard. Stop. Although housing is a state subject, yet it is with a view to cater to the interests of weaker sections that we are celebrating the year 1987 as House for the Houseless International Year, and this is the resolve of the UNO to stop. Not only in India, this year is being celebrated the world over. Stop. We have adopted this approach keeping in view the housing problem in the country, and the central government keeps a constant watch over it. Stop. Para. Sir, we have been listening to the slogans that the government is constructing so many houses for low income group, middle income group people, and the weaker sections of the society. Stop. So far as I think, the remedy of this problem lies in bringing a legislation on the ceiling of urban property. Stop. So if the government is really interested in solving this problem, may I know whether the government is bringing forward any legislation to put a ceiling on urban property stock, due consideration will be paid to the suggestion given by the honorable member stock. The government makes announcements for the economically weaker sections from time to time and fulfills them to stop. The minister in his reply has said that they undertake regular checkups and spot inspections. Stop. I would, however, like to bring to his notice that in the Kashmiri Gate area, about 30,000 slum dwellers and laborers sleep on the payments by paying rupees 2 per day to the DDA officials. Stop. Para. What concrete and specific action do the government propose to take to help these poor people? Stop. This problem is not confined to Kashmiri Gate alone. This is being faced everywhere and we admit it and we are paying proper attention to it. Stop. DDA and our department are dealing with this problem. Stop. The foreign countries are adopting the latest technique under which houses can be constructed speedily. Stop. Honorable Mr. Deputy Chairman, tenders for the constructions of 12,000 houses have been invited and a high power committee for this purpose has also been constituted, which is considering the construction of prefabricated houses speedily as stated. Stop. The tenders are expected to be finalized within a week's time and the work is being entrusted to the big builders like NBO, etc. Not only this, after the tender is accepted, we shall invite those also who have not filled up the tender, because the problem of housing is a gigantic problem. Stop. In other countries also, very good houses are constructed through this technique, and sir, we are taking the right steps in that direction. Stop.
ये था हमारा अभी का डिक्टेशन। आई होप आप लोगों ने ये डिक्टेशन लिख लिया होगा। अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको वेबसाइट का लिंक है जो मिल रहा है। साथ ही में आप लोगों को टेलीग्राम चैनल का भी लिंक मिल रहा है, उसको भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, क्योंकि इसके अंदर मैं कई बार मॉक टेस्ट भी करवाता हूं, तो वो मॉक टेस्ट का रिजल्ट जो है वो टेलीग्राम पर जो है अनाउंस किया जाता है। सो उसको ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। साथ में आपको कोई क्वेरी है या डाउट है तो उसको भी पूछ सकते हो। और एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखनी है कि आपको एक कैपिटलाइजेशन और पंक्चुएशन रूल्स के लिए मैंने एक वीडियो बना रखा है, आप उसको देख लीजिए। उसके अंदर मैंने PDF भी शेयर कर रखी है, जिससे आपकी जो कैपिटलाइजेशन और पंक्चुएशन की मिस्टेक्स होती हैं वो काफ़ी हद तक कम हो जाएगी। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।